Chem students, here's what you got going for today. Gonna do a little s'more thing. You're gonna get this sheet in class, and if you get everything right between today and tomorrow, we'll make s'mores in class with the Bunsen burners. One of the next couple of days in class. So here's what you got going. I'll get you started a little bit so you know what's happening. So s'more stoichiometry. Okay, typical s'more is made of 2 graham crackers, a marshmallow, 3 chocolate chip pieces. So we're going to write a chemical equation using that. Okay, and here's our symbols we're using. Down here, we're using these for symbols. So 2 graham crackers. So we're going to say, here's a s'more, 2 graham crackers plus 1 marshmallow plus 3 chocolate pieces make. So there's our reactants, 2 to 1 to 3 ratio, just like we've been doing with the chemical stuff. Make 1 s'more. Here's our formula for s'more. Right here, my 2, remember, my 3 on the TV should be subscripted, not superscripted. So it makes 1 s'more. Okay, or you can just say that's 1 s'more from there. So here's your ratios. Okay, obviously like a 1 to 3 ratio here, using those ratios from there. Here's the approximate masses of each of these things. So down here, we're going to figure out what is the mass of a s'more. Well, a s'more has 2 graham crackers, so we're going to multiply this by 2. It has 1 marshmallow in it, so just keep that the way it is, and 3 chocolate pieces, so multiply that by 3. Add those together. Okay, so the mass of a s'more is about 33 grams. 33 grams for a typical s'more. All right. That actually is the first question. It says, figure out the unit mass of the s'more. So this would just be 33 grams. Okay, that's what we just figured out. So this answer is just that 33 grams. So as you're going through here, some of these questions you can just do in your head. Okay, a lot of them you can do in your head. Some might require some dimensional analysis like we've been doing. So for example here, I'm going to pick a question to do. Let's say I was doing like number 2A here, okay, or 3A. We'll do 3A. So 3A, you're given this many grams chocolate pieces, and you want to figure out how many total s'mores could you make. So I can start with this. I can go 381.6 grams of chocolate pieces. So I need to know grams of a chocolate piece per 1 chocolate piece, and that's off that table up above. So a chocolate piece is 5.3 grams. So divide there to get number of chocolate pieces. What's how many s'mores we can make? So we can go from chocolate pieces to s'mores. So now I'll be using my ratio for my equation. And our ratio was there are 3 chocolate pieces per 1 s'more. Chocolate pieces per 1 s'more. So that's a little ratio from the equation. So divide. And you need you could make about 24 s'mores. From 381.6 grams chocolate pieces, you can make about 24 s'mores. That looks like a 5. That's supposed to say s'mores. All right. When you get to the backside, it still has stuff to do with that. This one's a limiting reactant one. Okay. It's telling you have 26 grams of graham crackers, 20 marshmallows, 46 chocolate pieces. You got to figure out which thing's going to run out. Okay. Which thing you're going to run out with, which one do you have excess of, or which could be 2 of them you have excess of, so forth. And then there are a couple legitimate ones here. I would say when you're doing this one, like the letter C right here in the back, I would do a little BCA table. Okay. Do a little BCA table right here. Before, change, and after. Figure that out. You could do that for the chocolate pieces one also. All right. So those are the things you got for today. Have a great day. We'll make s'mores coming up.